Hi kids, how are you? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, we should do warm-up exercise. Be ready student? Everyone sit in your place. Close your eyes. Keep backbone straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap children. Clap. Stop. 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 Children, take out your workbook. I told you to do homework. Yes? Check it. Is it right or wrong? Check. Chapter number 11. Measurements. Example. Exercise 11.1. Sorry. 2. Okay. See. Multiple choice questions. The unit used to measure weight is, see, meters, kilometers, grams, liters. See, the unit used to measure weight is, which one? Kilometer, grams, meter, liter, grams. Yes, grams. See, next. We write kilogram as kg, g, mg, m. kg. A. Next, third one. The weight of an object is the measuring of its heaviness, balance, volume, length. Heaviness. A. Next, multiple choice question, fourth one. The weight 1 kilogram is equal to 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. Where it is? Option B. Next, to convert grams into milligrams, multiply by, what will multiply? 100 will multiply or 1000 will multiply? Tell me. 100. Yeah. Sorry. See, the convert grams into milligrams. What will multiply? 1000. See, 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligrams. You know now? Yeah, 1000. Where it is? Option A. Next, see, sixth one. 3000 mg dash gram. 3000 mg. How many grams? You should division. You should do 3000 divided by 1000. You should do. Yes, 1000 divided by 3000. 1000 threes are 3000 minus, what is that? 3. Where it is? Option C. Next, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Seventh one. 4 kg equal to dash grams. Already you know. 4 kg equal to dash grams. 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. You know na, you know na? Now, what you have to do? 4 into 1000. grams. Now 4000 grams. Eighth one, dash grams equal to 5000 mg. What you have to do? Division. 1000 divided by 5000. 1000 5s are 5000 minus 0, 5. How many grams? 5 grams. Understood, children? Next, 9th one. To convert kilogram into grams, multiply it by 1000. Because you know now, kg, 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. That's why you should multiply by 1000. Okay. Next, 10th one. How many grams make 5 kgs? 5 kgs. How many grams it makes? 5 into 1000. Because 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. That's why 5000 grams. 5 kg is equal to 5000 grams. Understood, children? Next, 11th one. How many milligrams make 3 grams? See, 3 grams, 3 into 1000 milligram makes 3000 milligram. Understood? 12th one. How many grams make 8 kg? 8 kg. See, 8 into 1000. 8000 grams. Understood, children? Check it and write it. Next, 13th one. Convert 4 kg 150 grams into grams. What you have to do? You should convert 4 kgs 150 grams into grams. You should convert. You know 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Yes or no? That's why what you have to do? 4 kg 150 grams equal to 4 into 1000 plus 150 grams. Yes or no? Now 4000 plus 150 grams. 4150 grams. Okay. Next, 14th one. Convert 9 kgs 200 grams into grams. 9 kgs 200 grams into grams you should convert. That's why 9 into 1000 plus 200 grams. 9000 grams plus 200 grams. See, 9000. See, children? See, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 9, like that only you should write. Okay, 9200 grams. Understood? Next, 15th one. This one over. Right. Now 15th one. What is that? Add 3 kgs 250 grams and 1 kg 840 grams. Okay. First of all, you should draw the column. Kg column, gram column. 3 kgs 250 grams plus 1 kg 840 grams. 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 4 9. 8 plus 2 10. 0 here, 1 carry forward. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 5. What is that answer? 5 kgs 90 grams. Understood? Next, this is A1, B1. Subtract. See, what is that? 180 grams 60 mg from 440 grams 80 mg. You should minus this to this. First of all, you should draw the column. Okay, grams column, mg column. See, what is that? 440 grams 80 mg minus 180 grams 60 mg. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 4, 8 should go. No, it will not go. That's why you should take borrow from here. Here 3, here 14. In the 14, 8 should minus. What you have to do? 8 after up to 14 you should count. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 6 fingers came. That 6 you should write here. 3 minus 1, 2. What is that answer? 260 grams 20 mg. 260 grams 20 mg is the answer. Right, children? After that, 16th one, solve the following. Sixteenth one, subtract. See, 6 kgs 211 grams from 9 kgs 420 grams. Okay, first of all you should draw the column. Kg column, grams column. Okay, 6 kg, sorry, you should minus 9 from 9 kgs 420 grams minus 6 kgs 211 grams. 9 kgs 420 grams 6 minus 6 kg 211 grams. Here in the 0 1 will go. No, you should take borrow from here. Here 10, here 1. In the 10 1 should minus. 1 after up to 10 you should count. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers? 9 fingers. That 9 you should write here. 1 minus 1, 0. In the 4, 2 should minus. 2 after up to 4 you should count. 2 after 3, 4. How many fingers? 2 fingers. The 2 you should write here. Here 9, here 6. 6 after, up to 9 you should count. 6 after, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers? 3. What is that answer? 3 kg, 209 grams. Next, addition. What is that sum? 35 kg, 123 grams and 23 kgs, 103 grams. Again, column you should draw. Kg column, gram column. Yeah. See, 35 kg, 123 grams. 23 kgs plus 23 kg, 103 grams. 3 plus 3, 6. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 3, 8. 3 plus 2, 5. What is that answer? 58 kg, 226 grams. Understood? Right. Is it right or wrong? Check it.